This video is intended to demonstrate the phenomenon known as surface tension. Surface tension is a pulling force exerted onto an object's surface. Here I am placing 4 objects. 3 are similar samples of an iron-nickel alloy, and the 4th is a silver-based braze preform. Under temperature, the braze preform will melt, and the resulting liquid will pull the solid objects together perfectly in alignment. And there you go. Here you can see the perfect alignment of the 3 iron-nickel samples. And that is surface tension.